Please be careful.
We've got this.
Okay.
Are you videoing this? Ava, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to.
Nice.
If you sit down, you'll be able to get your feet on it.
Please make sure that the tree is stable.
Yeah, poke it. Wait, hold on. I can poke it with the stick. Can I? Here,
How are you going to test it with a stick?
See if it's stable.
That's not going to work. There's a difference between a stick and her body. I don't know if that's going to hold you.
It'll hold her. It's just going to move. You going to do it?
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, can you possibly come over here and like
With
hold
the
this
stick?
back?
With what back? Hold what back?
It's the prickly stuff, because I can't get myself down there if this is hitting me.
Sure, give me a minute. Okay, I see a path. I see a path. Kind of? Yes, I see path.
I don't think you can get
I
it.
do!
What are you?
I think the hardest thing about this is going to be getting back up.
We'll get you back up. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, even if you have to walk through water, we'll get you back up.
We'll get you back up. I mean, you could always change at my house. My clothes will fit you. They might be big.
Yeah, we proved that last time.
Yeah. And I cleaned those pants since then, so you can always put them back on. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming around this way.
Wait a minute. If we're not worried so much about water, couldn't she just go down on these rocks and walk across?
Because we're trying not to get her wet.
Yeah, but there's a tree. I think she could get on this tree.
Easier. But I don't know how I'm going to get there. Like, do I jump?
Huh? There's rocks over here that aren't water. Or where water's not on top.
Wait. Hold on. If you